Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little different than what I'm used to upload. So today I'm going to be attempting to do faux locks on my daughter's hair. Yes, attempting, because this is my first time trying to do faux locks. I always admired faux locks and dreads, but I never tried this style. So yeah, that's what y'all gonna be seeing me do today. My channel was already set up to do hair videos, along with the cleaning. But y'all, I just been slacking on my hair, videos. So I wanted to bring y'all a little something different and start back, posting hair videos. So yeah, that's what y'all will see me doing today. So as y'all can see, my daughter hair is super thick, and on top of that, she's tender-headed. So it takes me a little longer to section off and, part her hair like I want. So that's what I'm about to do now, is just start sectioning it off, and then I'm going to start installing the faux locks. So right here, I'm just using this Murray's Edgewax. I'm going to use it to slick down her part so it can be nice and smooth. I love using this stuff. It smells good, and it has a, nice hold to it. So, I'm going to be using the rubber band. So I'm just slicking down, her part so they can be nice and sleek. And then I'm going to add the rubber bands. Alright, so she wants the curls on the end. So this is the brand I'm using, the Freetress braid, and it's the Water Wave. And for the faux locks, I picked up the Cuban Twist. And it's the super long 24-inch. It has 30%, more hair in this one. So y'all, already done sectioned her hair off and added the rubber bands. And I did, one row of faux locks in the back. So toward the middle here, I'm going to show y'all how I, installed them. So y'all, I had to watch different videos to try to figure out which one, was more simple to me, by it being my first time installing these. So I ended up running across DopeaxxPana YouTube channel. If y'all haven't heard of her, I'll leave her link down in the description. But yeah, the way she did it seemed, a little easier to me. So that's why I decided to go with it this way. So I first start off by installing the Cuban Twist. And then I'm going to be installing the curly hair. And then after that, I'm just going to grab everything with my left hand, except for one piece of the Cuban Twist. I'm going to be grabbing everything in my left hand and then just overlapping with the Cuban Twist in my right hand. It's going to be overlapping everything that's in my left hand, because I'm right-handed anyway. So I'm just going to be overlapping it with my right hand. And I'm going to have a close-up clip of it so y'all can see what I'm doing up close. So I did skip a step. I didn't, pre-braid her hair. I just left it loose since it's going to be tucked away, anyhow. And it, saved me, just a few steps. So that's why I decided to just leave it loose and just, just wrap it the way it is. So y'all, this view is a little closer so y'all can see what I'm doing. So as I'm overlapping the Cuban twist, I'm making sure that I'm, wrapping tight so the locks won't, unravel. So as y'all can see, she's nodding off on me. So next time, I'm going to make sure that I don't do this on a school night, and to do it either on the weekend or either on a Saturday where I don't have nothing to do. Because it did take me a little while, especially by it being my first time and with, trial and error, to get this style. So, I'm just going to make sure next time that I, allow myself more time. So this here is just some foaming wrapping lotion. I'm just gonna, add this to her locks just to loosen them up a little bit, since I, burnt her ends. They are sticking together. I was gonna dip her hair in like the hot water, but it's kind of late and she's sleeping, so I didn't want to mess with no hot water. So I was just gonna try to loosen them up with the wrapping lotion. Alright, y'all, so I'm finally done, and this is how it turned out. I think I did okay for my first time, but y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comments. So if y'all liked it, let me know. If you didn't, let me know. And if you want to see more videos, like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I think it's one that's more a little puffier than the other one, and it's this one right here. But I'll fix that later. So that's it. I thank y'all for watching, and I'll be chatting with you in my next one.